Hello everyone. So let's start with this problem that a vector is 25.8 meter long and makes an angle of 60 degree counterclockwise from the y-axis. So what is the x component of this vector and what is the y component of this vector? So suppose we have this x-axis. The x-axis is this. This is our x, negative x, and our y-axis is here. So we have the y and the negative y is this and the origin is here. Now, this is the vector 25.8 meter and it is making an angle 60 degree counterclockwise from the positive y-axis. So it is making 60 degree in the counterclockwise. So counterclockwise is going to go like this way. And here we have this 60 degree. Now, the vector is lying in this quadrant. So this is the vector A, which is having the magnitude 25.8 meter and this 60 degree angle from the positive y. Now, when we want to find the components of a vector, we need to know this angle. So if it's making 60 degree here from the positive y, so that means we have this angle 30 degree. So now we got the angle of the vector with the x-axis. Now we need to find the components for this. So the component of a vector on the x-axis is going to be a of x, and the component of a on the y-axis is going to be a of y. Now, as we know from the formula, when we want to find the components, so for this first part, the x component is going to be a cosine of theta. This a of x, a cosine of theta, we get whenever we have the component along positive x. But right now, our a of x component is on the negative of x. So we will put a negative sign with this value. So that means equals to negative magnitude of a vector is given to us. That is 25.8. So cosine of, now we'll take the angle cosine of 30 degree because that is the angle which we have on the axis. So when you'll calculate this, we'll get negative 22.34. So this is the a of x component. A of x is equals to negative 22.34. Now, our second part is to find the y component. So the a of y is going to be, but the a of y we have on the positive y, so we'll not put the negative sign with it. It will be positive a with the sign of theta. So you will have again the magnitude of a is 25.8 sine of 30 degree. So when you'll calculate this, it will come 12.9. This will be in meters and this is also in meters. So the y component is a of y is equals to 12.9 meters. So this is going to be positive because the y component is along the positive y and the x component is along the negative. So there you have 22.34 meter. The x component and y component is 12.9 meter.